A very good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you for the online classes of mathematics. Hope all of you are doing well. I am wishing all of you a very good health. Be safe and please stay at home. In the previous classes up to now, we have completed chapter number 1 and chapter number 5, that is sets and complex number. Today I welcome all of you with full energy to start our new topic, which is trigonometric functions. This word trigonometry is familiar to all of you because you just completed your class 10th and you have already read that chapter in class 10th. In class 10th, trigonometry relates with right triangle concept only. We have learnt about trigonometric ratios, their relations, and also some applications in terms of height and distance. But in class 11th, we are going to see this as a broader concept, not particularly relating to triangle only, but as a circular function. So I hope all of you are ready to start. So let's start our topic. Please see it very carefully. Now, in class 10th, we have discussed about trigonometric ratios, relation between them, and applications of trigonometric, basically height and distance problems. But in class 11, we are going to see some important concept, or we can say some new concept based on trigonometry as a function, as a circular function, I can say. So the topics that I am going to start today or in the coming videos, in the coming chapter, we can see that the topic that we are going to discuss are measurement of angles, relation between degree and radian, some important quadrant rule for trigonometric ratios, trigonometric function as sum and difference of the angles, then trigonometric equations. So as a summarize, I can say that trigonometric function is a broader concept which covers trigonometry as a function also, as well as trigonometry as an equation also. So we are going to discuss all these step by step with full important points and all the key terms related to the topics. So the first topic that I am going to start right now is angles. You all know what angle means. So let us start the topic angles. Angles is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. So for angle we have two rays and the arc between two rays is said to be forming the angle. So the first ray is called the initial ray and the initial side also, and the second ray is called the terminal side. And the arc between them, if it is measured clockwise like this, it is called positive angle, and if it is measured anti-clockwise like this, it is called positive angle. If it is measured clockwise, then it is negative angle. I am again telling you, if we measure the arc anti-clockwise, it is positive angle. If it is clockwise, it is negative angle. The point from where both the rays start is called the vertex. So for angle, we must have two rays having a same vertex. The arc between them should be measured either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So there are two types of angle, positive angle and negative angle. Also, if we have a line and we are making a complete round on it, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, that is called one complete revolution. It is also called the complete 360 degree. So here we are going to discuss about measurement of angles in different types. That is measurement of angles by two things, degree as well as radian. So please watch it very carefully. So I'm going to start the topic measurement of angles. So angles can be measured by two units, degree, which you all know, and another one is radian. So how we can convert degree to radian and radian to degree? This we need to understand for the first topic related to trigonometric function. So let's start. There are two types of unit which can measure the angles, that is degree and radian. When we have the degree given, we need to convert it into radian. What should we do? We should take pi by 180 degree multiply by that particular degree. So in order to convert degree to radian, you should multiply that value with pi upon 180 degree. Where you don't need to put the value of pi, it remain as pi only. And if you are doing the converse, that is radian to degree, you should multiply the value of radian with 180 upon pi. That is the reciprocal of the previous one, in which you should put the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So when you are converting degree to radian, you should multiply by pi by 180, no need to put the value. But when you converting radian to degree, then you have to take multiplication by 180 by pi and you have to put the value pi equal to 22 by 7. Now in general cases, there are some simple general rules we can say, or general notes we can say, that 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes. 1 slash this represents comma, we can say inverted commas type. This is 60 minutes, and if it is 1 minute, then it is 60 seconds. You should see the representation of degree, minute and seconds. Also, the value of 1 radian in degree is 57 degree 16 minutes, and the value of 1 degree is 0.01746 radian. All these you should remember it for MCQs, we can say. But the most important thing is that how to convert a degree to radian and radian to degree. You should understand this. I will tell you some examples. Using this formula, we can calculate that. So please see very carefully. Now we are going to see one question in which we are converting a degree into a radian. The question is, convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian. So first we need to convert the whole measurement in degree, that is degree measure is 40 degree and 20 minutes. We know that 1 degree is 60 minutes. So in order to convert minute to degree, it should be divided by 60. That is 20 must be divided by 60. So we have 40 degree plus 1 upon 3, because 20 minutes can be converted to degree by dividing by 60. So after simplifying this, we get 121 by 3 degree. Now in order to convert degree to radian, you should multiply by pi by 180, that is this, and then simplifying without putting the value of pi, you got that this is 121 pi upon 540, which is the required radian. Remember always, when you convert degree to radian, do not use the value of pi. It should be remain as it is. For example, see one more. If there is 60 degree given, we can write like this: 60 multiplied by pi by 180. So this is pi by 3. 45 degree is equal to 45 into pi by 180. So this is pi by 4. So now you are not going to learn about degree, you are going to learn about radian only. Sine 60 is not written, you should write sine pi by 3. Sine 45 is not written, you should write sine pi by 4, because you have converted the degree to the radian. Now I will tell you one question in which we are doing the converse, radian converted back to degree. So now we are going to see one question in which radian is converted to degree. The question is, convert 6 radian to degree measure. In order to convert radian to degree, you should multiply by 180 upon pi, and you should place the value of pi, which is 22 upon 7. So this is 6 multiplied 180 by pi, where pi is 22 by 7. So 7 is shifted to the numerator. Then simplifying it, we get 3780 upon 11 degree. Now you should convert it into mixed fraction, which is 343 7 by 11 degree. Now degree can be converted if it is in fraction to minutes, then to seconds also. So 343 is as it is, which is in degree. 7 by 11 should be multiplied by 60 minutes because 1 degree is 60 minutes, which is 420 by 11. Again simplifying it, we get 343 degree plus 38 minutes, and again 2 by 11, which is the fraction, it should be multiplied by 60 in order to convert to seconds. So first we calculate degree, then multiplying by 60 give us minute, then multiplying by 60 give us seconds. So in that way we can calculate the final answer, which must be in approximation. It should never be in proper, or maybe proper also depending on the question. But the way is that you should multiply by 180 by pi, then put the value of pi is 22 upon 7. First you calculate degree, then the fraction remaining in the mixed fraction part should convert it to minutes, then again if it is possible, if it is required, convert it into seconds. I hope you understand how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. I will tell you one more relation which you already have learned in class 10, length of arc, but in a different way, which is required for solving problems of first exercise. So please see that very carefully. We all know that length of arc in a circle, in a sector, is theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r, where theta is in degree. Now if 2 eliminate 360, we get 180. Now this can be written as pi theta divided by 180. Now we all know that theta is in degree. Degree if multiplied by pi by 180 converted to radian. So theta is in degree. In place of this complete value, because it is multiplied by pi by 180, we have written alpha, which is the radian form of the theta. So the relation becomes L equal to alpha r. Length of arc is equal to angle in radian multiplied by the radius. This relation will be used to solve problems of exercise 3.1. So please go through this relation. Theta is in degree form and alpha is in radian form. Now I will tell you some questions and then you will try doing 3.1. See this question. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? In 1 minute, the wheel is making 360 revolution. That is 1 minute equal to 360 revolution. 1 minute can be written as 60 seconds. So 60 seconds equal to 360 revolution. We have to convert it into 1 second because we are finding radian for 1 second. So 1 second means 360 divided by 60, which gives us 6 revolution. Now 1 complete revolution means 360 degree, complete angle. So angle is in degree. We should convert it into radian by multiplying by pi by 180. Eliminating, we get 1 second, or we can say 1 revolution as 2 pi radian. But we have to calculate for 1 second, which has 6 revolution. So 6 multiplied by 2 pi gives us 12 pi radian. I hope you understand this question. I will tell you one question relating to the concept L equal to alpha r. Okay, see this question. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. We have to find the length of minor arc. So we have a circle in which the diameter is 40, means the radius is 20 centimeter. Also the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. So basically from the diagram we get that diameter is 40, radius is 20. So this becomes a equilateral triangle. So angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degree, which is theta. But we do not need degree here, we need radian. So 60 degree is converted to radian by multiplying by pi by 180, which gives us pi by 3 radian. That is alpha. Now we need to calculate the length of minor arc L, which is alpha multiplied by r, which is L equal to alpha r. Alpha is pi by 3 multiplied by 20, which gives us 20 pi by 3 centimeter. If we put the value of pi as 22 upon 7, because we are calculating length, we get L equal to 440 divided by 21 centimeter. So I hope you understand how to measure angle in degree and radian. Also you understand the relation between L, alpha and R, which you have to use in first exercise. Try solving all the examples and questions up to 3.1. I hope all of you practice all the related terminology, all the related formulas up to now, and please focus on this chapter very carefully, because all the concepts, all the important formula of this chapter will be used in class 12th also. So I hope everyone will do up to your capabilities, and you have to do a little extra effort to understand this topic. So try solving up to 3.1. I will upload a new video relating to quadrant rule for the next class. Till then, try to solve it. Try to solve as many questions as you can. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Please stay at home and be safe, and try to help out your family members also. Thank you.